did inform me that he has verified this with the state that he had watched.
Here are the three suspects in the murder of the 22-year-old e-hailing driver, Isaac Satlat. Earlier this week, Isaac Satlat was tragically unalived while on duty in Pretoria West. The 22-year-old Nigerian student who studied mobile engineering also worked as an e-hailing driver for Uber and Bolt. Isaac responded to a ride request on Wednesday, the 11th of February 2026. He was allegedly attacked by two passengers, hijacked and strangled to death. Later that day, his body and vehicle were discovered abandoned in Atteridgeville. Authorities say this was a premeditated crime. Three suspects appeared in court on Monday, the 16th of February 2026, facing charges of premeditated murder and aggravated robbery. They are Dikeledi Mpehla, 25, Huisione Machidi, 26, and McLaren Muchwana, 30. All three formally abandoned their bail applications, meaning they will remain in custody while police continue investigating. The case has been postponed to the 23rd of February 2026. Authorities are still searching for a fourth suspect involved in the crime. Outside the Pretoria Magistrate Court, a group of e-hailing drivers and supporters protested, chanting justice for Isaac and calling for better safety measures for drivers operating on digital platforms. Isaac's family described him as a creative and loving young man who enjoyed music, modeling, and church. After the tragedy, a dashcam video of the attack circulated online, prompting some speculation about xenophobia. The family has strongly rejected this narrative, emphasizing that it was a crime situation that could happen to anyone. Isaac's father suffered a severe health scare when identifying his son's body, and the family is working to repatriate his remains to Nigeria for burial. This tragedy serves as a harsh reminder of the dangers that e-hailing drivers face daily. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one. God bless you and ciao.